Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video I will be revamping my old floor mirror and turning into this glamorous mirror that you see here. If you all would like to see how I create it, please continue to watch. All right, queens and kings, so here is the mirror. As you guys can see, it is a texture mirror, so this may be a little bit difficult if you have a texture mirror, if you decided to do it. I had this mirror for a minute here and I just wanted it to be all mirror, and how I'm going to create the all mirror effect or look is with this vinyl contact paper that I purchased from Amazon. I also will link it down below. It was very affordable just for this one roll. I think it was $18, but it depends on what's the size and length of it. So it does have various sizes and prices, if I may add. But as you guys can see here, now I'm going to take my ruler and try to measure it. And basically, I think this was like 3 3/4 inch wide, and the size was like 1.5 inches. So basically, I'm doing the same measurements on the back of the contact paper. As you guys can see, it does have lines, so it helps you to be able to cut and measure to the proper size or whatever desired size you choose to do. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys another overview, and I decided to put the vinyl or the contact paper up under the mirror just to hold it down because I'm using just myself at this time. I don't have any help. It's just going to help me be able to cut the fine line all the way up from the areas that I did measure out. Okay, so now that I have it all cut down to size, we're just gonna peel the back end off of it, and I'm just gonna basically lay it flat as possible. And like I said, once again, I do have a texture mirror, so therefore you do see the little bumps in the textures as I'm laying the mirror down, but it's okay. It did give it a different look, a different feel, but I'm fine with that. And as you guys can see, I'm using a ruler. You can use a debit card or some type of card, something flat, so therefore it can help you push out the bubbles or anything, because that will occur. And if I'm not mistaken, I think if you use a blow dryer to try to help adhere the contact paper to the mirror. And as you guys also can see, it is very forgivable, so therefore you can lift and rise and replace it down. So I'm going to continue doing that until I complete the whole mirror. Now to get the shiny effect, as you guys can see, it does have a clear film on top of it, and as you guys can see, it is gorgeous, like beautiful, beautiful. You almost can't see the texture, but in some area you does see the texture. But I love it, I love it, I love it how it's turning out. Just beautiful. So now we're just gonna bling it out. You guys have seen me done this method plenty of time, but these are some different crystals here. I did purchase these also from Amazon. It's basically the garland, the crystal garlands that we all like to get, but just without the jump rings on them, and they are bigger size than the usual size. And I think these was, I'm not even sure, I'll just have to leave them down in the description box, so check down below if you want all the links to these things. So basically I'm placing them where I want them to be as usual, and then I'm just gonna go back with my Dollar Tree adhesive glue. A lot of you all ask me what type of glue I use to do a lot of these, and it's basically what I do, because it does not give you that cloudy or foggy look. It actually do give you a crystal look, so therefore you just need a small amount, as you guys see that I'm doing, and I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around. This did get a little time consuming, so I decided to bring the family in this so we could have a little bonding time, and my babies decided to help me. I just love them, I really do. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video so far. If you all do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this is the complete and finished look. Now don't worry about the background, that's just my little craft area. But I just love it. It is so beautiful. It actually turned out better than I thought it would. I really didn't think this was gonna turn out this well, but it really did. And look how glamorous the bling is, just sparkling. And as you guys can see, you still see some of my texture. Some areas you don't, some areas you do. So I guess that depends on how well that I press the air out of it or flatten it or whatever. But I love it, I love it. And then you see some of my subliminals over there with jab and drop some glue, but I love the way that it turned out. It still gave me the look that I was going for an affordable price. So once again, queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoyed this little revamp or this DIY, whatever you like to create, like to call it. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and you queens and kings continue to be royal.